Hiya, it's Ali here. Just jumping on to do another quick video with the beautiful So Pretty collection from Funky Fossil, and I've literally got it here just ready to put together and just talk you through it while I do that. I'm just kind of trying to do these 5-10 minute max videos that I can go through to show you how to make a beautiful card in not such a long period of time. You know, if you're wanting to make a quick one, something that you forgot, and you can make them as long or as short as you need them to be. So this one, what I've done, using the beautiful Buttoned Up, which is by the wonderful Charlotte Blackwood. So it's the wonderful Buttoned Up stamp, which is that absolutely glorious, huge stamp, bigger than my hand. Makes a lot of beautiful backgrounds. I've actually prepared one here, and all I've done is I've used the picked raspberry and peacock feathers, stamped it onto the stamp, just left the stamp out, it's not on a plate or anything. I've literally just took the backing off and put it upside down, put the distress ink on, and then spritzed that up a little bit and popped on the watercolour cards so that it's given me a nice beautiful background. And then all I've done is I've cut a piece of card literally to size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my glue gel and then pop that on, and I've done it to actually fit from side to side like so. Okay, and this honestly is so easy and quick. It really is a godsend when you think, oh gosh, I forgot such and such a person, you know, or they're coming round in half an hour and it's like you've got 10 minutes to make a card. Woo, we've all done that, I know I have. So then what I've done is I've cut out the gorgeous little sewing collage, if you like, but I'm not going to colour that in. I'm going to leave it stamped in black. And then I have basically done exactly the same. I've done a black mat with a white top, if you like, and then use that gorgeous stamp from the main stamp set, the gorgeous sentiment, should I say, Sewing Mends the Soul, and then I'm just going to pop that on. Okay, and that's going to do exactly the same again. It's from end to end. I do like how these look, the end to end, you know, the way that this comes out. I think it looks really cool. So that's already on, and then I am going to pop that into the centre of there like so. Okay, making sure that I don't move that around too much, with it being glue gel. And then I'm going to pop just a little bit higher for some height and pop on this beautiful little collage of sewing, and that really is as quick as I can get it. Now then, of course it's not going to be a card by me if I don't put some of the dewdrops on, so of course I'm going to pop a couple of dewdrops on just like so, and there you've got a really quick and simple, and I think really elegant, lovely looking little card ready for whoever's popping round. And it's clean and simple as well, so but it looks like you've taken a long time doing it, you know, doing all those in blue and purple in the background. So yeah, I'm happy with that, and I hope you enjoyed watching that. Again, like I say, I'm just trying to do these very quick 5-10 minute maximum shorts, just to show you what you can achieve in that length of time. Obviously you've got kind of the last 5 minutes. This is only a 5-minute video, but it takes you 5 minutes just to cut out your bits and pieces and stamp off. So I hope you enjoyed that. I really look forward to seeing you in the next video, where I'm going to do another card from the beautiful So Pretty collection. Absolutely loved working with this. So till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.